Hey, I was sent this button press to try out, and this is a lot of fun if you have scraps of fabric or scraps of paper that you'd like to use. You can make buttons with little pin on the back like these. And I can show you how to use this really quick. So you're going to get some supplies. You've got these metal discs. You've got some white pieces of paper that you can use. You could actually draw on those and take your art and put it on the pin as well, or print them, whatever. You've got some plastic, just plastic pieces that go over, and then you have the backs of the pins. So what you're going to want to do is cut out a piece of fabric or paper that's the size that you want. Now they give you this cutter here, and this actually goes around like this, and you can spin it around and change like the circle size, and it's got this little blade that'll cut, but obviously don't do that on like a table. You want to have something underneath it to protect your table. I actually just used this piece here to trace on the fabric and then cut it out with my fabric scissors. This was better for the paper, although it might have been fine if I had my cutting tape, that mat out. So here's how you do it. You're going to go ahead and you're going to put your metal disc in first. And the metal disc goes in this side here. Then you're going to put your artwork, whether that be a piece of fabric scrap, a piece of paper, or the art you did on a piece of paper. So that goes on right there. Okay, and then you're going to take one of these little pieces of film. There's a bunch of them stuck together, so make sure you only get one. And you put that on top. Hopefully this will work because it is a little wrinkly over there. So then you swing this and press down. You need to give it a good squeeze. This one doesn't need as much of a squeeze as the other side, but what it does is it picks it up and it holds it up there. And then you're going to stick your pin in there and you put it face down. That part goes up, yes. So the part that has the indent goes up. Now, when you see this on the sheet that they give you, they're going to say to put all these in to begin with, but when you click this one, it tends to pop this up and sometimes it'll flip over on you. And I didn't notice a few times and ruined some pins. And see that? So it's better just to do it after. Then you go ahead and spin it around and press. And it'll sort of, you'll hear it click in place. And then hopefully this one came out okay. You spin it and there's your thing. Pretty cool. This is so much fun. I think it'd be a great way to make custom pins. We preserved some dog hair apparently. But as you can see, they're super cute, particularly if you're an artist. This is actually some scrapbook paper that I thought was really pretty, and I love how this came out. I'm definitely going to use my Cricut to put words inside as well, and maybe use my printer to just print on the pieces of paper. So much fun. Awesome thing to do. Kind of a fun project with the kids as well. Alrighty, hope this was helpful. Thanks so much. Take care.